Hi guys, I just made a video about Kiro, in the sense that we can use the arcolinux-3 tool, or we can use the scripts from the arcolinux-nemesis to install more desktops. And I've shown you in video, let's have a look at the number, video 15 from Kiro on YouTube, the possibility to have Openbox, right? So normally Kiro is basically a personal ISO. All I want in life is Xfce session here and chadwm, and I've shown you how to get Openbox on it. Since the virtual machine is there, right, I can keep explaining other desktops. So let's do one more so you know that basically you're in control if you know where the Lego blocks are, if you know where everything is. So a Ctrl-Alt-T, let's first kill Pycom with Ctrl-Alt-O. Pycom is killed, we're in a virtual machine here. But the ISO is, as you see, the one that I've built on the 5th of July. You can build ISOs or you can download ISOs. And the ATT is present, right? But it's a minority check, minority list of things. This is it. With a click of the button, you can have all these. But as you see, Openbox was not present, and there's more that's not present. And we just keep it very minimal in this case, the things that I like. So also arcolinux-3 tool has been minimalized, has been stripped from things like worm, other things, desktops that are not maintained anymore, and voila. We keep these guys in. Another example, so sure, Openbox is now installed. This is Openbox, right mouse click, Openbox. You do your theming more and make it dark or something if you like. It's just more work, but great, have fun. What if I wanted something more? Ctrl-Alt-F. I'm launching Firefox. I hope there he is. It's still available. So the arcolinux-d Github contains all the desktops that we've used. I see 40 up here. So Xmonad, Xfce, Worm, Wonderland, Wayfire, Yukui. Now things that are Wayland, don't do that in VirtualBox. Spectre WM, true, River, Wayland again, Qtile is available with the ATT or our scripts. Maybe I should point out that the arcolinux-nemesis scripts. So this is the Kiro nemesis script. But the arcolinux-nemesis script, you can just say get nemesis is actually enough, right? It's a bunch of scripts that basically get these desktops, right? The same names as an ATT. You do not need a GUI. It's just sudo pacman -s. Boom. Install stuff. So Pantheon is here, Openbox, Neri. I'm just choosing one that I want to install. It's not included. chadwm, right? Why not? IceWM, i3, Hyper, Herbstluft, GNOME. This one maybe. DWM is there, I think. DK, why not DK, right? Arco. So choose, as simple as that. Choose. Some of them are really old, the desktops. First check if they're still developed, might be a good thing. So this DK, is this developed? GitHub, DK, I think it's on GitLab, but let's have a look. DWM, help it a little bit. Right, so that's no hit. GitLab then. DK, DWM, free desktop, not finding it. DWM window manager, sure, but then DK also. Here is some links. DK, archwiki, we can find a link maybe to DK. It's on Bitbucket. All right, fine, right? We found it where it is. Is it still developed? Last commit. Don't see anything about 2025 from Nate, right? Nate Maya. But right, Let's find another one. This Joe thing is also something interesting, something minimal, maybe interesting for people, because Joe WM might be, it's Joe, I thought, no? JWM? Yeah, he's called Joe, but JWM, right? Is this still maintained? JWM? Let's do arch JWM, maybe quicker. To find the link, and from that link we go to the page. From this one, that's right. About me, GitHub, JWM, we're getting there. 3 weeks ago, right? That's already cool. May 14, June, April, March. Sure, this is being maintained. Okay, then we take this one. Say, okay, let's take this one for a spin. Click here. And then we go for the desktop. Super, Shift, Enter. On the desktop, we go for a git clone from the code. Now, prior to this, so the video that is number Kiro 15, have a look at that, because there we changed something to the Pacman. We changed and added these two guys. Without these two guys, the arcolinux-repo and repo third party, we can't do squat, right? We can't do anything. So add, there we go. Add arcolinux-repo to Pacman, add Celtic repo to cat, add Kiro, add Nemesis, right? All the scripts are there, and if I click this thing, if I enter this thing, Pacman has extra 2 lines. So if I do an update, you'll see that there are these two guys extra. These are normal, right? And then it's the arch stuff, but that's extra. If you don't have those, you can't install the arcolinux packages, right? So the scripts that are in here, you can't actually use them. Well, some of them will say, some lines will say error. And then you realize, oh yeah, I should do something about that. So we have here another desktop now. Bigger, let's see, and scroll up. We have an XDG menu manager that we need. The arcolinux logout was already there. Fe was there. Xterm is now extra, it seems. We have the application, and somewhere down the line we need to arcolinux JWM. No, don't see it, so let's just type it, -s arcolinux, and you have access to all the arcolinux stuff. JWM, J, getting closer. There we are. This one, right? Was it already installed? It was not. So scal, let's get this in. Super X, log out, and see if JWM. Always the same thing. You need an application, you need a configuration. Application is JWM, configuration arcolinux JWM git. And let's see if we get something, right? JWM installed. There's something missing, I think, down here. It's a menu that's missing, an icon that's missing, not a menu, but the icon. But you don't need, basically this icon is just for people, hey, there's a start button, right? But actually the menu is everywhere, right mouse click somewhere on the screen, and you got everything. And there's also a left mouse click, but nothing happening there. But you choose whatever you wanna do here, terminal, right? Again, Python, Control, Alt, O, kill Python, and then you have this bar. You can do this, you can do that. Nice, right? It's a very minimal thing, maybe something for an older computer, I don't know. Have a look at it. But again, a video, right? A video, that's the point of it all. The configs are online, and yes, over time the configs will fail, because I hope, right, all these desktops will develop more and more and get better and better, and the old configs won't be working. You need to do something about it and go inside the code and have a look how is it working, right? So often it's in the .config where you find code that you should edit and change. And here we have the study, right? This is what you study. And Ctrl-Alt-F for Firefox. You go to arcolinux. As long as they keep online, you can study, and the university continues. We just don't update anything anymore, change anything anymore. But in here are the tiling window managers. In here is chadwm. No, it's not. It's not there. Did I never make anything? Then you're on your own. We've put it inside the desktops. It's not really a tiling window manager, so voila. It's choices as usual. And here's information about chadwm. Right. All the essential knowledge in one video, and have a look. All right. Enjoy figuring out how everything fits together, because that's all it is. A big Lego block, Lego set of blocks where you say, I want to have this as the M, light the M, then maybe Xfce together with chadwm. It's up to you to decide what you like. All right, cheers.